rope, don't do the dose just to escape. I say too late, my fate's facing eternal daydreams. 14, I first skipped school to get paid. If I'm a little late, then I ain't seen class. Sorry, teach, misusing your patience. Call me a fool, but I'm running up my bag. No, it ain't cool, but the grass still move under my feet. How I run it. Got track star shoes.